Welcome back to San Antonio Living. It's a Creative Living Thursday, and this morning we're working on something that's perfect for mom. Siobhan is here. It's good to see you.
Thank you. Nice to be here. You have 2 daughters.
Yes.
And I have 2 daughters.
Yes.
So we're girly mommies.
We are girly moms.
Yeah, and so you get to do something fun for those mamas out there. We have to. Don't forget them. Remember, it's coming up May 10th.
Yeah.
Mother's Day. Don't forget, or you
forget.
will never live it down until next year. All right, so we're making, again, something really simple. The kids can help you with this. There's just a few things I would maybe have, unless they're older kids, have adult do, but it's not any big deal. Again, it's a Mod Podge thing, and so you can find anything at your house. It doesn't have, I found this at the craft store. You can also go to any of the thrift stores. You know, they have so many cool containers that people just donate. So you can find anything. It can be glass, it can be ceramic, all the wood, it can be all of that. So these I thought was kind of cool. I found this yesterday. If you're not a big Mod Podge person and you've never really tried all this, you know, they make different kinds. And people don't realize, this is a dishwasher safe. This one is a photo transfer. This one is a matte. This one's a glossy. So a lot of people don't realize that. And then there's one that actually goes for multi-purpose, but I thought this is a sample pack, and I thought it's kind of cool because if you've never worked with it and you don't want to buy the big thing, there you go. Look for that. Anyway, so you're looking for, of course, anything to put on this to make it kind of beautiful, girly, mommy. And so these I saw, and I thought they were kind of cool. These are favor bags.
Okay.
So you can cut these up and use them. Okay. It's a little bit thicker of a paper, and this one is also, which I thought was kind of cool. So you can use gift wrapping paper. You can use any of the gift bags. Any of the bags you pick up like if you buy something at a boutique, sometimes they have these beautiful bags. Save those because those are the kind of things you can use. I'm a napkin girl. I love napkins. They're so easy. So this one I thought was so pretty for mama. So we're doing napkins or something to put on. We also, of course, have whatever you're going to put it on. Use one of your Mod Podges. The one thing I would say if you have little kids, what you're going to do, of course, is open it up and start cutting out the pieces. That's where the little kids may not be able to do it as easily. But the middle-ager kids, middle-agers as I call middle schoolers, so you're basically just going to go around. I think on a white piece, I think anything colored looks good to have a little bit of a white around it. So if you notice, this is what I cut out.
Oh, you've got perfect little pieces.
No, it took me forever, but no, it's not that bad.
And so we're going to Mod Podge those right onto the container, and we're going to show you what that looks like in just a bit. We are getting creative with Siobhan this morning, doing some Mother's Day goodies. This is so simple, and it's something, I don't know about you, but I do love the handmade things.
I do, and I think it's something that, especially when you have kids or grandkids, you kind of see the change in what they make. You know, when they're little, they have the little hand, and you know, then they get a little more creative as it goes. And it also creates the creativity in a kid. Kind of makes you able to feed that. So pretty easy. We're Mod Podging. You know, I should be called the queen of Mod Podge because I use it all the time, but I can't help it. It's so easy, and you can do anything with Mod Podge. I was just saying, what you're going to do is find yourself a container, anything. It can be also like a vase, or it could even be like a wine holder. So there's so many different ones, not expensive. Your Mod Podge, and then what we're doing today is I'm doing the napkins, but you can use gift wrap, or you can do, of course, favor bags. So pretty easy. I cut them all out. I just cut out the edges. So this one, what I'm doing, put your fingers inside, because if you put your fingers here,
they will be stuck.
And then it also will move it until it dries. So all I did is I started cutting out. The one thing with Mod Podge, I always tell everybody, you got to be you have to put it on. I mean, don't be chinchy on it, because otherwise then it's hard to get the pieces to lay down. So you're always putting one layer on first, and then I'm going to put this on it. Let's see which way. You can do it any way you want. You can have it touched completely. You can have it not touching. I left a little space in between mine. And so then all you do is roll it down, and stick it on. That's why you really need to use a lot. And then after you've done that, all you do is, of course, after you've gotten it stuck down, you're gonna just put it on top, and that keeps it from picking up.
And now let it dry. Something personal.
And it can be glossy, it can be matte, it can be whatever. So once I did this, then I thought, okay, well, you can do it for all kinds of things. A lot of grandmothers, a lot of mothers have at-home work desks. And you know, it's kind of nice to see your grandchild's thing there.
Super cute.
Yeah. So I'm making a mess here.
That's okay.
It's okay, but that's why you put your hand inside. So anyway,
show me the finished product.
Okay. So here it is.
Ta-da!
Okay, so I use this one. I put it in the kitchen with my favorite tools. This one, of course, you can use. Do you have a letter opener? Does anybody in the world have a letter opener anymore?
Looks like a weapon.
It is. It does. Remember the letter openers? Okay. Well, by their desk, if they have something also at work, it doesn't have to be here. It's kind of nice to be able to look down and see something that reminds you of your daughter or your son or your grandkids.
So, there you go. Thank you for
good.
the inspiration.
Yeah, we're good.
Happy early Mother's Day.
Thank you, same to you. We're going to take it all in.
Yes.
We need to get it.
And if you need to watch to see how we did it, you can find all of that on our website. All you need to do is go to saliving.com and give us a follow on social media at I Love SA Living.